Hey Princess Squad, it's Tia here. I am sitting outside Target, gonna go inside because Target has put out all of their Halloween costumes and decor and candies, and I wanna go check it out and take you along with me. So let's go inside to look at Halloween 2023.
First rule about shopping at Target is always grab a cart because you never know what you're going to come out with. For instance, I found these really cute toddler cups on the way to the Halloween section in the back of the store. So here we are, I made it back there. This used to be back to school, but now it's Halloween stuff.
Okay, we're in the costume aisle. Let's check it out.
Of course, my eyes immediately went to this because you guys know I love Maleficent. She's my favorite villain. But here we also have Ursula, a baby Ursula costume, a giant Funko Pop Ursula head, and Maleficent head. I really love this Maleficent Funko Pop. Let's try it on. Oh my goodness, I think I look so cute. Adding it to my cart. Immediately, I ran to the back of the store because this is where they have all the cool and funny costumes at. For instance, a cone, like a traffic cone. What? This is so silly, and it glows in the dark. There's also a soccer ball, there's a popcorn head, and even a strawberry head. You can't go wrong with Taco for Taco Tuesday, corn if you love corn like the corn kid, pineapple if you love pineapples like me, mustard, ketchup, and even a Jack in the Box. There's also a hot dog if you want to be a hot dog, a hamburger if you love hamburgers, and even pizza. Of course, this stuck out to me. It's a fidget pop-it. What? Let's check to see if it will pop. It kind of pops. I mean, you have to push it out, but it pops, right? I think it looks cute on me. What do you guys think? I think I'm going to add this to the cart because everybody needs a giant fidget pop-it for Halloween. Next up, another popular costume idea is the Nightmare Before Christmas. They have them everywhere so far that I have seen, especially at Spirit Halloween, and they have them here too. Also, Star Wars is really popular. It's a great family costume, and everybody loves Baby Yoda. Next up, the girly sparkly area. There's fairies, unicorns, the Little Mermaid, even Belle for babies, Cinderella for babies. There's also regular Belle, Frozen, there's Elsa, Anna, so many Disney princesses, and even Olaf. There's Moana, Ariel, of course, the redhead version if you like her better, and even for babies. I Spy Encanto, the entire family. This will be a great family costume for everybody. Next up, I see Super Mario World. I see Princess Peach, Mario, but I feel like they're putting more out. Ninja Turtle is another popular one. Like I said, great for the entire family. I spy an entire section of Harry Potter. Like I said again, this is great for a group costume. Next up, a fire truck and an ice cream truck. This will be perfect for any toddler. Now I see a whole bunch of costumes over here, the SWAT team, there's Fortnite costumes, a whole bunch of them, and of course, Minecraft. Everybody loves Minecraft. There's so many to pick from. I know there are lots of Sonic lovers out there and Pokemon lovers out there. They have them for kids and adult and couples, pretty much for everybody. So many versions of Spider-Mans, lots of Avenger costumes for all ages, and for girls also, and Transformer. These are super cool. I love this Minion outfit, and of course the inflatable dinosaur. Then I see all these cute costumes for kids and babies. We have so many to pick from, the infamous pumpkin, and a whole bunch of baby onesies. This will keep the little ones super warm. There's Disney's, there's even regular onesies for bigger kids and adults, unicorn and shark. Don't forget about costumes for your pet because there are so many to pick from, like this turkey, this devil wings, Buzz, and even lamb chop. I also love this Sebastian Crab from The Little Mermaid. Somebody tell me why there are Christmas lights up. It's Halloween, not even, you guys. It's fall right now. I spy a whole bunch of skeletons in different sizes and colors. I really love these over here, especially the witch one and this giant jack-o'-lantern one. I am living for all of this. They definitely have some great Halloween decorations here in the decoration section, especially these. They're super creepy and cute at the same time. A giant spider, oh my goodness, a skeleton, spine, snakes. I am living for it all. There are so many different skeletons to pick from. I am in love with this boo sign. The color is like my favorite color of purple, and there's also a whole bunch of neon Halloween decorations. If you're looking for yard decor, say no more. There's lots of hands and feet that you could put on your yard. I really love these witch legs. It also comes with witch hands. Oh my goodness, look at these fingernails. If you want to hang something from the tree, this is perfect. And if you love spiders for Halloween, they have a whole bunch of spiders in different colors. Moving on, I see lots of jack-o'-lanterns with different faces. Forget carving your own if you're lazy, just pick from these. And a whole bunch of game over tombstones. This ghost looks super cool if you want your very own ghost in the front of the house, or even these scary skeletons. Oh, I'm scared of that big one. But this ghost is cute. Also, I'm not sure what this is. Moving on to the treats, my favorite. They have so many that I love. I got this last year. This is the Witch Brew slime drink. It was really cool. We also have gummy eye candies. If you want to make your own hot cocoa station, there's the toppers that's like a witch brew, this hot cocoa mix. There's even all of these hot drink bombs. I feel like it's a little hot for these, but they're super cool. There's also lots of gummy candies. We have fangs, we have fingers, and even Bean Boozle. Oh, these are so disgusting, but pretty cool and fun to play with. There's also lots of houses, and I love these pretzels. I love these waffle makers. This one's like a spider web. There's also funfetti, pumpkin bread, the green funfetti, and lots of squishmallows for Halloween. I love this one here. Moving on to the games, this will be a hit. I'm really interested to see what's in this punch party game. Also, there's so many cool decorations that you can decorate inside your house. This is a jumbo bucket, oh my goodness. And also, if you want to make some pumpkins, these are some pumpkin faces that you could put on your pumpkin. And we have window clings, treat bags, and a whole bunch of treat goodies. I think I'm going to get some of these necklaces. They are super cool. And I see witch fingers, spiders, silly snakes. There's bubbles, slime, more fingers, fidget pop tubes, mini slinkies, or if you're lazy, just buy this whole set. It has a variety of things in there, and there's different versions that you can pick from.
Okay, Princess Squad, that's the end of today's video where we check out everything Halloween at Target. Make sure to check back for more Halloween videos. Always remember to dream big, have fun, and be kind. Bye!